FollowGraph is a data set that maps people's interest and intent based on the brands that they follow on social media. It's a comprehensive data set with over 2,000 variables. And today I'm going to show you how to use this for retail. Retail can be as straightforward as looking for your brand in the variable set and mapping that brand. So let's say we're Patagonia and we want to understand where are the neighborhoods where people follow Patagonia in Eugene, Oregon. We can get a really quick map of that variable. We see these people here are twice as likely to follow Patagonia. Great for site selection. You can even rank the brands that people follow in a location. So I have the University of Oregon pulled up, and we're just going to rank the top brands that people follow in a 1 mile radius around the University of Oregon. So this is good news for Patagonia. We can see the #1 brand being followed actually is REI, followed by Patagonia. You also have Peloton and Lululemon showing up pretty high there. But what if you're a brand that doesn't have enough online presence? Maybe you're an emerging brand that you can't actually map your specific variable. You can find interests that are relevant to whatever service you are providing. So imagine you are an indie bookstore and you want to find where you might place that indie bookstore here in the Eugene, Oregon area. We can map indie bookstore lovers, and we see these people are actually in this neighborhood 5 times as likely to follow indie bookstore account. This is an interest account, so it is a theme of accounts. So people are following multiple indie bookstore accounts in this specific location, which would indicate to us that they're indie bookstore lovers. So this is pretty interesting, but what if you are an established retailer and you want to look at what people are doing to indicate what products you should stock in your location? So imagine we're Lululemon and we want to know how people might be using our clothes. We can look at the just general interests that people have in this area by ranking the top interests. So we're going to look at that as if we are Lululemon and find out what these consumers might be interested in. So we can look at their retail interests, and we can see they over-index on being conscious consumers. We also see ethical fashion popping up. So maybe putting products forward that are in that vein would make a lot of sense for them. We also see their athleisure enthusiasts. That's great. What are they doing? What are the type of things they're interested in doing as far as their lifestyle? Well, we see these people are outdoors enthusiasts. That's great. So these people are probably hiking, they're skiing. That might be relevant. A lot of endurance athletes, marathon runners, spin class enthusiasts. So these are really, really active people. So their clothes probably need to match their level of activity. So when you are starting to promote things to them, you're probably promoting an active lifestyle or putting the types of products in front of your store that would be relevant to what these people are interested in. And that is how you use FollowGraph for retail. So ultimately it can be used for site selection, for product stocking. It can even be used for advertising.